Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us right here on North Dakota Today. Well, for our next segment, I am now joined via Zoom by the Executive Director of North Dakota Legal Services, Jen Lee. Good morning.
Good morning, Sophia. Thanks for having me.
Yes, thank you so much for being here. So tell me a little bit about Legal Services of North Dakota.
We are a statewide civil legal services organization, which means we do not do any criminal law. And we primarily help North Dakotans with civil legal issues, which can be a huge range. It can be housing, eviction, domestic violence, divorce and custody, veteran benefits issues, seniors. So it can be a pretty wide range. And we help North Dakotans figure out how to navigate the legal system, sometimes through full representation and sometimes through just advice that we're able to give them over the phone, and keep communities running and keep our legal system going in the state.
Wonderful. Tell me a little bit how you guys are funded.
Our current funding is primarily made up of grants and then private donations. And when I say grants, it's mostly federal grants. And the way grant programming works is usually it's a specific resource that we're trying to help. For example, we may have a domestic violence grant that's specifically for domestic violence, and we may have a housing grant that's specifically to help for evictions. And so we combine all of those together to be able to offer about 30 different programs in the state. And so federal funding is the primary, about 75% of our funding. And then we do receive some state support from the State Bar Association and from the court system for the filing fees that are filed in each case. And then we have some private donors as well that assist with us. And Giving Hearts Day is coming up. So that's another big opportunity for donations next week on February 13th.
Yes, definitely one to keep in mind if you at home are considering your Giving Hearts Day donations. So I know that you have some real life stories that you'd like to share with our viewers, starting out with a veteran facing eviction and how you guys could help.
So we often have, we have a homelessness grant for veterans if they're at risk of homelessness or actually homeless. And we have a great success with this program so far. We have a veteran staff attorney who is a veteran himself, and it really helps with this program. And we had a veteran who was facing an eviction. A lot of it was a miscommunication with the landlord, and he was able to negotiate with the landlord, keep him in his housing, and not have to worry about another veteran homeless going out onto the streets and not being able to find anything. So negotiation is a lot of what we do with the Veterans Homelessness Grant.
Absolutely. I know that you do a lot of work with seniors and victims of domestic violence as well.
We do. Seniors often need to think about things like healthcare directives and powers of attorney for how things are going, how they want to set up their life and make sure that the right people are making decisions for them. So it's a very important program that we're in the middle of rush on trying to get everyone to get those documents set up. So yeah.
Yes, definitely some very important work. So where can folks go to apply for assistance or to make a donation?
On our website is lsnd.org. So Legal Services of North Dakota, lsnd.org is the best way to apply, and also donations on the website or the Giving Hearts Day website through February 13th. And then they can also call in for phone assistance for applications Monday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for your time this morning and for sharing this with us.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it. And everybody at home, stick around. We have more North Dakota Today coming right up for you after this short break.